Hello friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb. Okay, today we are going to cook easy chicken parmesan. Okay, this might be a little bit different from how you normally make it, but hey, we are talking easy. Okay, first we are going to start off with a half a box of rotini noodles. So that would be 16 ounces, okay? Or if you're needing to measure that out, it would be two and a half cups. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're going to put our noodles, 1 jar of your favorite marinara sauce, and if you don't like these kind of noodles, really, you could use a different kind. 1 cup of chicken broth. First, I want to I did grease my pan. Okay, let's get that chicken broth in there. Oh, God. You guys know I mess my kitchen up all the time I cook, okay? So this is normal for me. Yeah, I don't know how to get in the kitchen and, like, cooking, leaving it clean. That's like a dream come true if you do that. Tell me. So what I do is I clean as I go along. But how about you? Could you cook without making a mess in your kitchen? I'm sure there are people who could do that. But gosh, not this girl. Okay, and then what we are going to do is, I got some chicken here. Chicken breast. And you could use any chicken you want, like just regular chicken breast, baked chicken breast, what is that? Grilled. That's what I'm meaning to say. Grilled chicken breast. Rotisserie chicken breast. So right here, sorry, you can't really see the bowl, but here, I'm going to I cut most of it up because I really didn't think you needed a tutorial on cutting chicken. Watch your fingers though. Okay, look at there. All right. Oh, you want to know what? I think I'm going to jack these pieces of chicken up and make them taste special. So I'm going to put just a little bit of olive oil in there. Just a little bit. No more than 2 tablespoons. Then I want to put garlic. Yeah, a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little. And then some Italian seasoning. Okay. And then what we want to do is, hey, let's get a cup of mozzarella cheese. Oh, geez. Yeah, me again, making a mess. And then let's get in there. I'm going to put the bowl down, sorry. And just mix. I am mixing all these ingredients together. So there. Now I just jacked up this chicken. Look at that. That looks awesome. Now we're just going to take it and put it on. Yeah. Just put it on there. Oh, I missed a piece. Okay. That's okay. I will just cut that up right now. And this is just one of those meals. Throw everything in the baking dish, bake it, and you're done. But I do have another step after this. So we are now going to turn our oven on to 350. We are going to bake this. Oh, wow, look at that. I was missing a whole corner there. God, what would that be like? Okay, we're going to put a aluminum foil. We're going to cover it up. Bake it for 30 minutes. Come back and then we're going to put like a little mixture together. Okay, while my food is cooking, I'm going to throw some garlic breadsticks on my pizzazz. Okay, so now I am going to make a topping to go over the chicken parm that we're going to put the topping on it, and we're going to pop it back in for 10 minutes. Here we go. We're starting with half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of, you're supposed to use panko, because I feel panko has that nice crunchy texture, but guess what? You got to make it make, and here goes a half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Sometimes you just got to use what you have and alter things. Okay, and here is 2 tablespoons of butter. Garlic bread is cooking. I want to call it a casserole. I've been into casseroles lately. The chicken parm is almost done. And then we're going to bring it out. Sprinkle this on top of it. Pop it back in for 10 minutes and it's time to eat. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. We're going to put a little bit of pepper. There we go. And now we have our mixture. Don't forget the corners. Perfect. I'm going to just spread it out a little bit. Top back on it. And let's put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay. I actually put it in for 15 minutes. And that's what it looks like. Oh, geez. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, now we're going to take a scoop of it. Okay, I am going to take a bite. I got some noodle and some chicken and some cheese. Hot. Oh my God. Well, yeah, that was good. That was definitely good. I'll be making it again. This was just too easy. This dinner was really too easy. And you really don't have to, like I say, jack it up. I always tell my grandkids, hey, you want me to jack up your pancakes? You know, and that just means, you know, put some peanut butter on it, maybe some chocolate chips. So you don't have to jack this up if you don't need to, if you don't want to, meaning season up that chicken. Because remember, that the breaded chicken, it's already got seasoning in it, so you don't even need to do that. But make it yours. I mean, make it easy. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more easy, budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. Most of all, friends, please keep cooking, and I love you all.